Here's a level 22 question, critical paths. In the table are the steps and times required to complete a complex task. Create the path diagram and find the critical path in the least amount of time required to complete the task. Click on the vertex tool and plot all those points. A is connected to B, C, and D. B, C, and D, and E. F, G, and H are connected to the B, C's, D's, and E's. F, G, H, and I is connected to F, G, and H. Then I'm going to make my connections. A is connected to B, C, D, and E. Click on my arc tool, click on the A, and drag it over to the B. That. I'm not going to worry about the weights or times yet. F is connected to D and E. G is connected to B, C, and E. H is connected to B. I is connected to F, G, and H. A has a weight of 3. All of the text boxes that are on the arcs coming out of the A get a 3. B has a weight of 7. There's 7 here, and here's another B. Now it's hard to see which is the B and which is the C. When that happens, click on the vertex tool, and you can move these around a little bit just to give you a little bit more room and to make these clearer. This is a 7. I'm going to go back to my arc tool. 7. C is a 3. D is 6. E is 11. I have 2 of those. E goes into F and to G. F has a weight of 12. G has a weight of 7. H has a weight of 5. That's my path diagram. Now I want to find the least amount of time required to complete the task, which is the greatest amount of time. I'm going to find the maximum path. I have an 11 down here. If I go from 3 to 11, then to 12, that's going to be my maximum path. When you choose the path, it fills it in for you. The total amount of time, 3 plus 11 is 14, plus 12 is 26. We went from A to E to F to I. And then you press enter to see if you're right. We're starting with A. A connects into B, C, and D. A connects into B, C, and D. E, F, and G connect into B, C, and D. E, F, and G. Then for the E, F's, and G's, H, I, J, and K have those as precedences. H, I, J, K. L has J. M has H and K, and N has I. L, M, N. Finally, we have O, which has L, M, and N as prior steps. Go to the arc tool and we connect. A is connected to B, C, and D. What's E connected to? Just to B. I make an arc from B to E. F is connected to C. G is connected to D. H is connected to both E and G. I is connected to F. J is connected to E and F. K is connected to G. L is connected to J. M is connected to H and K. N is connected to I. O is connected to L, M, and N. And there is our path diagram. With the weights, A has 6. These are all the A's get 6s. The B's get 9. I only have one of them. The C gets 3, and the D gets 7. I have 5, 10, 3, 10. 5, and this is also an E, 5, F, 10. 10 and 10. G was 3. H was 10. I is 7. J is 4. K is 7. L is 6. M is 2. N is 11. That's the path diagram with all the weights. I want to find the maximum path, which is the minimum amount of time required. If I go from this 6, I hit this 9. 9 and 5 is 14, but if I went this way and hit this 10, I have 10 and 3 is 13. I'm going to go with the 9 and 5. Then I can hit this 10. We have 6, then 9 is 15, plus 5 is 20, plus 10 is 30. Add the 2, that gives me 32. Let me copy this just to see if that is the best route, 32. What if I went down this way? 6 and 3 and 10 and 7 and 11 is 37, which is better. I'm going to go that way. If you make a mistake, I'm going to do the A first, then B, C, D. Let's say I plot these points. Then E, F, E and F, then G, H, I, G, H, I, J, K, L, J, K, L, and M. But let's say I mess up on here. So let's get the first ones right. And let's get these ones. E has B and D. Let's say we did B and C by accident. F has B and C. D. G has F. Let's do the rest of these correctly. H has F. I has E and F. J has G and H. K has I. L has H and I. Let me get one of these weights wrong. Let's put in 6. This one is 10, and let's say this one I put a 7 instead of a 6. D is 1, B was 10, E was 12, is 12. F is 7. G is 11. H is 11. I is 1. J is 4. K is 9. L is 4. If I make a mistake, I've made a mistake with my path, I've also made a mistake with some of the connections here. And notice what it does. So it draws the proper path, and then it also tells me where I've gone wrong. So I'm missing the arc D to E. So A, B, C, D, T. So I'm missing this line. Notice D to E, I don't have it. Okay. I'm also have an extra arc. I have 2 extra arcs, C to E and D to F. So I have the C to E arc, which notice I don't have down here, and E to D to F. D to F, and notice I don't have a D to F arc. It will show you where your mistakes are, and it will highlight the proper path. All right, that's it for level 22. Have a good day.